Welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Pixellab, how you can use it to design and also be familiar with the interface of the Pixellab. I remain my humble self, Ahmad Suleiman Karofi, aka Digital Karofi. And if you haven't downloaded the app, so now just go straightly to your Play Store and type Pixellab. After typing Pixellab, this is what you will see. So now let's take a look at the interface or the about of the app. Right, let's see how this app can help us in trying to design whatsoever we want to design. Let's go to the developers information about this app. Now they said about this app, you can use this app to easily draw, add simple and 3D text and stickers, and also you can use this app to edit your image for free. You can use all these things to draw simple and also 3D text and stickers and also edit your image all for free. This is one of the amazing things that I love about this app. It's free, you understand? Okay, now adding stylish text, 3D text, shapes, stickers and drawing on top of your pictures has never been easier. With a simple and clean interface that lets you focus on whatever you are doing, a wide selection of preset fonts, stickers, background, more than 60 unique options that you can customize, and of course your imagination. You'll be able to create stunning graphics and amaze your friends straight from your phone or tablet. One of the most important and most amazing things about this amazing app is that you can use it to actually create a wide range of designs, through your imagination and also through your creativity. You can use it. It has different preset, different fonts and stickers, background. You can use them all to create a stunning graphics and amaze your friends with your smartphone. Okay, now if you want to actually have a kind of tour about this app, how you can use it, you can click on this link. It will directly take you to YouTube so that you can watch some of the videos, some of the tutorials videos regard to this app. Okay, now let's take a look at the features of this app, how this app we can use it, what it entails. Number one, we have text. You can use this app to add and customize as much text objects as you want. You can use this app to actually use 3D text, create 3D text and overlay them on top of your images or have them stand on their own in a cool poster. So now let's go to the app and actually show you how you can use all these things. Now this is the interface of this app, and then before moving forward, let me take some few minutes to explain what these things means. Okay, now starting from the underground, here we have my project. These are some of the list of the projects that you have ever did on this app. They're going to be saved here. If you want to retrieve any project that you have already started working on, then you can easily click on this my project and then you will see it. And apart from there, you will see some of the template here. These are some of the template, and after then you can see these things. We have this a text, a column. This has to represent text. This has to do with other things that has to do with shapes and many other things like that. And this also has to do with let me click them. This has to do with text. Can you see them? You can use this thing to edit your text. You can use it to write text and all. Can you see? Okay, now I'll explain them one after another, and then you can see this thing. You can use it to import, draw shapes and other things like that. You can see this thing. You can use it to import color, transparent background, image size. You can use it to actually import image from a gallery or from your camera. And this thing you can use it to actually rotate or brighten or customize a picture by like using them to edit a picture by adding maybe brightness, contrast, or saturation. So now let's take about this thing. Can you see this color? If we can use it, we can use it as the background color of this interface. Can you see? Let me delete this thing. Let's click on color. Let's see. We have two types of color. We have gradient, we have normal color. Can you see? So now if we want the background to be transparent, we can just click on this transparent. We can customize the image size of this thing. Maybe if I want to like design for a poster design, maybe a social media poster design, and I have the size to be like 1080 by 1280. This is a kind of I think this is a Instagram story. Can you see? So this is how you can customize the image size of this thing, and you can use this thing to import an image from your gallery. If you have anything that you want to import, you can use the import, or you can use this to take image from your camera. So now let's get back to the text, which is the number one thing that we have already started working on. Okay, can you see? Now let's edit this thing and talk about the text. Let me write it here. Introduction. Let's write introduction to Pixellab. This is what we will do, right? Now let me show you how you can use this thing to edit text. Now let's come here to the A button. Click on A button. Now you can use it to style it. You can delete it if you want. You can copy it if you want, like this. Can you see? You can actually bring it to front or back. You can position it like this. Can you see? You can use this thing to position it, and then you can use this little positioning to make it to the center or to the edge. Can you see? So now you can actually add the text size. Can you see it here? So now you can also put this padding like this. Can you see? Can you see how amazing this app is? You can actually put in color like this. Can you see how it is good? You can also include the gradient color. Can you see how you can do that? Can you see how amazing this thing is? Now one more important thing is that you can actually make it this way, like this. Let me change the color font. Can you see it? Can you see? So now look, this is how good this app is. I like it. Now we can actually add texture by clicking on this. You can reduce the opacity and maybe increase it. You can also rotate it. Can you see? You can also add a mask. You can change the font. These are some of the font on this amazing app. These are some of them here. Maybe introduction to Pixellab. Can you see them here? There are many. I think they're almost up to 100 or more than 100 maybe. And then one more important thing is that you can import your font like this. These are some of my fonts here, and these are the recent fonts that I've been using. So now let's think about the style. You can bold it, you can make it italic, you can underline it, you can cross each and everything that I have already. And you see how good it is. So now you can put on background for this text. Can you see? You can put background for this text if you wish. You can align it at the middle or at the center or at the left side. Can you see? So you can actually add more size to the text. Can you see? Yes, this is how you can do it. You can reduce the size, you can add it. Now you can actually add a line spacing like this. Can you see? You can also add a stroke if you wish to. Let me add a stroke. Can you see it here? Can you see how the stroke works? So now you can add a shadow if you are interested in it. Interested in adding the shadow. Can you see? Can you see how good it is? This thing. Can you see the shadow now coming live? Can you see how good it is? So you can add all these things if you wish. You can use inner shadow if you wish to. Can you see how we can use that? Are you understanding? So also you can make a 3D rotation if you wish to. Can you see? Can you see? And if you don't want that, you can use the 3D text to actually give it a more different look. Can you see how we are doing it? You can darken it. So literally this is everything that has to do with you can also add 3D shadow, sorry. Can you see? Yes, you can add also reflection. Can you see how reflection works? So literally this is everything that has to do with text. I think this is what I explained about the text. And let's get back there and see color, 3D text. I've explained that. Text effect, I have explained that. Text color, I have explained that. Text font also, I've explained that. Stickers, I did not add any stickers, but I can do that. I can import images. Let's get back there. Let me add some pictures. Let me import some images. If I wish, I can use this plus icon here to import. And if I wish, I can use this button thing to import from my gallery. Can you see? I can use this place. Then click this to import from my gallery. But let me use this plus icon to import from gallery. Can you see if I want to import something? Maybe I'm interested in importing this thing. Can you see? Maybe I'm interested in importing this. Well, I'm not interested in importing anything. I'll just delete it. Sorry, I forget to actually explain the offer interface here. This plus icon, you can use it to actually add a text or add a sheaf, import from gallery and other things like that. You can see you can use it to add current date, text, stickers, sheets, draw, and also import from gallery. So if I'm going to add a sticker like this, I'm going to maybe use this thing. Can you see how this thing works? You can use this thing to actually design everything that you want to design. So this is how you can use stickers. And also now this is undo button. If you want to like undo something that you did that you wanted, you can click on that and it will really undo. And if you want to zoom anything, you can come here and zoom it. And if you want to align, or I should call it position everything that has to do with your design, you can come here and click on that so that you should know the level. Now if I don't want that, I can just take it off like this. Now if you want to actually see the layers, you can come here and click on that thing and it will show you the layers. Can you see? So that's all. And I'm sorry, I think I forgot something. If you want to save your design as an image or as a project, just click on this icon and it will actually pop up like this: save as project or save as image. So we can move forward to save as image, or you can move forward to save as a project. So now if you want to actually share your project, you can click there, this thing to share. Can you see? You can share it. So I'm not interested in that. And also you can use this thing to add some quits to your design. Let me click on them and see. You can see them here. So I'm not interested in any of this. And now one more important thing is that you can use this double icon here to actually use image from gallery to see from full screen. Can you see? full screen, use email from camera, export image size. You can also edit the image size. You can contact them, you can go for the tutorials, and also you can open PLP by. I'll explain that in another video. And also you can check about the about, and if you are done with this app, you can exit. You can come here and click on exit. So I think these are the interpiece of this Pixellab. So let's get back to the features and see what we haven't explained. So now I have explained change the background. You can use that to change your background. You can save as a project, so that later on you can come back and take a look at the project. You can remove the background if you want to, and also you can edit image perspectives. You can use image effects. You can export your image. You can create memes. You can browse quits. I've explained that, and I haven't explained how to export your image. So now let's get back there and explain that. So maybe let me open my project so that I can explain much more things. Let's say I'm done with this design and I want to like save this design. Now let me come here and click on these things so that I can save it. If I want to save it as a project, I can just click on the project. I will save it like introduction to Pixellab. Can you see? Then just click on OK. So you can see this thing has been saved. And if I want to take a look at it, I could just come here and click on my project, and I will see it here. Can you see it at the top? And also if I want to like take another thing, take a look at my project. These are some of my project. And one more important thing is that, let's say for example I'm interested in exporting this file. How can I export this file after I make let's say I'm done with the design and everything? How can I export this file? So now come click on these things. Come click on this thing. After I click on it, it will show you some things. Click on it. You can click on export image. If you're interested, click on export image, or you can use this thing to save the image like this. You click there to save the image by like clicking here and click on save as image. Now come here and click on this dimension, click on this thing and choose ultra. Can you see ultra? So after clicking, then come here and click on save to gallery. So this is basically how you can actually save anything. The image has been saved. Can you see? So I think this is the actual introduction to Pixellab, and if at all you haven't understand anything, please just retake the video, and if you don't understand anything, you can actually come forward to ask me, and inshallah I will respond back to you and explain much more better if you haven't understand. But I think this video is well explained and well detailed. So thank you very much for watching. I remain my humble self, Ahmad Suleiman Karofi, aka Digital Karofi. Thank you very much.